How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. I want to talk to you today about a meme coin that I think could do really well. Right now, Bitcoin dominance is falling down slightly, right? We were above 60%, well above it. Now we're flown down under 60% with a pretty sizable drop over the last day or two. And the fact is, just a lot of altcoins are starting to run. Bitcoin's hitting all-time highs. I don't know when you're watching this, but right now it's at 76.5. Ethereum's at 29,000 or 2,900 over the last 24 hours. It's up 8%. Solana is nearing 200. It's up about 5% on the day. Cardano's up 11% even. Let that sink in. Cardano's up 11%. And with this kind of change in the market, I think it makes sense to look at some more altcoins, to look at some more risk on cryptos, right? And a lot of this comes down to President Trump now being voted back into office, elected back into office, and he's run his own pre-sales before. He's had NFT projects. So a lot of people think that he will be much more lenient on this kind of stuff. He'll fire Gary Gensler. He said that before, and then get someone that's more pro-crypto in there at the SEC. So again, I think it's an interesting time. Now, I am invested heavily into Bitcoin. I have some alts. Then I have some moonshots, right? Moonshots are ones that, could go down to zero, could do extremely well as well. They're ones I put less money into, but they're highly risky and have high rewards as well, high reward potential. Now, obviously, when you're looking at cryptos, like what have done the best over the last year, I think a lot of people would agree that Memecoins have done maybe the best since the bottom of the bear market, maybe the best even recently. AI's up there as well. But look at this. Just over the last 30 days, Dogecoin's up 80%. 80% for the largest meme coin in the market. Shiba Inu and Pepe both up 10 and 15%. Dog with hat kind of going sideways. But when you go to the 90-day too, look at this. 90%, 38%, 30%, 35%, 178%. Nero up 62,000%, coming from nothing to now being a $1 billion market cap. So there's so many cryptos that have done so well. I think you continue to look at other types of meme coins as well, which is where today's show sponsored comes in, which we are looking at Pepe Unchained. Pepe Unchained has its own blockchain. It's interesting here. They have the website that I'll link underneath the video. They've raised $25 million, but you can see here on the Economic Times, they actually go through what Pepe Unchained is. So this is when they broke their $17 million mark. They say here, Pepu, because that's the ticker name, PEPU, isn't all hype. However, it's building a layer 2 blockchain for meme coins. It's crossed the $17 million mark, now $25 million, and it's pre-sale. The layer 2 for the unpredictable meme coin market. Meme coins are both loved and hated for their price volatility. Driven by speculation and community craze, they can skyrocket and come crashing down in a matter of hours. Far-sighted and timely decisions are the key to maintaining a successful crypto portfolio. Again, that's with higher risk investments, but that's easier said than done. In bull markets, layer 1 networks like Ethereum face congestion, which lead to skyrocketing fees and snail-paced transactions. Unable to make quick decisions, investors are forced to compromise on potential returns. That's where Pepe Unchained comes in. It sets a new standard for meme coins with its layer 2 solution, which relieves congestion and enables faster transactions. It helps optimize the primary blockchain and makes meme coin trading hassle-free. Okay, it follows projects like the high cap layer 2 chains like Arbitrum, Optimism, Base, and Polygon, who target the broader crypto market. Pepe Unchained focuses on unclogging the meme coin market. It's designed to tackle the fast-paced nature of meme coins. And they also just announced too, this is their Twitter, by the way. You can check it out underneath. They have a ton of followers, 45,000, a few that I know as well and follow. They have a lot of things that they're launching. They're building not just a new chain, but an entire ecosystem. Pepe Unchained L2, Block Explorer, DEX, Bridge, Advanced Analytics, Builder Grants as well. And then take a look at this. Now that they've hit the 25 million milestone, they have a major announcement. We're proud to announce a massive new upgrade to the Pepe Unchained ecosystem, Pepe's Pump Pad. So this is like a launch pad 2-click Memecoin launchpad built on Pepe Unchained L2. Here, users will be able to launch their own meme coins with zero coding knowledge. As of today, the top 5 meme coins launched on competitor launchpads have accumulated market cap over $1 billion. That means you could launch your own coin and run your own coin and profit massively from its success. So this is something that they're doing right now that they just announced. Now, I will say they've been raising money for a while. When you invest in something like this, you have to understand the risks. You have to understand the rewards. You also have to understand that they have not given the exact pre-sale launch date. They said that it's coming up, though. That's what they told me, that it is in the coming weeks. But just know that that's part of the uncertainty. But, with this going on, a lot of people are excited. A lot of people have invested in it, and they do have a strong capital base, right? Like they have raised a lot of money, which can be very beneficial because then they can do things like this where they talk about what they have going for them. They pay for marketing and stuff like that. Now, if you want me to talk about them in the future, let me know down below in the comments section. Maybe I'll talk about them once they've launched. That's typically when I talk about these kinds of projects. There is more risk when you invest in something this early, but also there can be more reward. A lot of people I've talked to kind of treat these as like lottery tickets. So you buy one, you don't necessarily bank on it doing well, right? You think, well, it could go to zero, and then you place them on a number of bets, and then hopefully one pays off. So yeah, do your research. Maybe this is going to be big. I do think that they've done a great job of building and getting a lot of excitement in this space. Let me know your thoughts on all this underneath the video, though. Check them out in the comment section. I really appreciate it. And check them out in the description. I'll see you all in the next one.